celebrating 50 years. This is my old high school. Look at it. This is my old high school, and I'm actually here because they've invited all the alumni back to Northbrook High School for a 50-year celebration. Let's go inside and check it out. Good evening, good evening. How you doing?
Doing
right this way. Doing good. Right on in. How you doing? Hey! There we go. Look, there it is. Wow, wow. Hello, 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 hello. Hey. How you doing? How you doing? Hello, hello, hello. Up top, there it is. Wow. How you doing? So here's the deal. We are in here at Northbrook High School. I haven't been to this high school in I don't know, 25, 30 years or so. I found the current yearbook staff, and this is the mentor, leader, teacher, and all of you guys here. And then, of course, look, you see this? This is my year that I graduated. And they have more than one. Look at this. I should have brought mine with all the autographs and signatures from all the students. Thank you guys for doing it. Thank you for being here. Now we got to go take a photo. So there you go. Take a look at that. There it is. Because I do have a whole video of Sean. Sean Sanders, y'all. Y'all see him? Look at this. Look at this. This is him from 1993, and he does not change. He still looks the same. I have a whole interview of you from 1993.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna send it to you.
Please do it. Please do it.
It was shot in VHS.
Oh.
The building has not changed much here, especially here in this area. Let's see if I can hop on a tour. We're going on our nickel and dime tour. Hello, gentlemen. Y'all are all juniors or seniors? Juniors. All right. All right. All right. Yeah, that window actually was a window. It wasn't painted over like it is now. All the band, they cheered me in as I walked in. It was amazing. Right this way. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Woo. Welcome back. It's been 30 years. Oh, this is cool. This wasn't here.
No. This is going to be our main office.
Yeah, that's still the main office. That hasn't changed. This hallway has not changed, guys. 30 years ago, it looked just like this. This is all new. Because we'd go through this door and just be outside.
Yeah, that's right. They didn't have this.
Yeah. This is all new. What the? Wow. That is brand new. That's right, just in the library. You couldn't see it. This is all new. That's cool. So this is a whole new wing. Yeah, because this is technically outdoors.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, it's exactly the same. Whoa. Oh. Wow. I don't know how many times I looked over to the edge of this in high school. Going into the library. The place we hardly ever went. Awesome. Wow. Well, what do you know? The stairs are still the same. the shelves are all still the same.
Yeah, it looks exactly.
Yeah, it has not changed. We didn't have these computers.
Wait, this all is card catalogs.
Yes, it was.
Card catalogs.
He's like, what's a card catalog? I don't know. Yeah. Wait, do you guys know what a card catalog is? Come on. It's,
No, I do not.
no, okay, so imagine a catalog. You know what a catalog is? Oh, wow. We have some, you know what? That's our fault. We never taught you.
This is how hard it was to find a book. You would have to see there's numbers on it. You would have this little bitty index, and you would actually have to pull this long thing out and go card by card of like A, B, C, and just look at them, and it would tell you a number, and you have to go find that in the.
And it was all categorized by
Yes.
the Dewey Decimal System.
Yes, the Dewey Decimal System, yes.
Yeah.
And so you
That's
knew
where
that.
the librarian earned her pay by doing all that, just mixed.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And there were way more books than you guys have on the shelves right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was, they were
there
like
books
thick.
everywhere.
Well,
You know.
internet either. That's why.
That's,
Yeah.
yeah,
Broken
yeah,
math, it's hard to
And now all we gotta do is just scan a barcode and it'll tell us.
Going up the stairs. It's kind of difficult to make a YouTube video and go upstairs at the same time, but you know, here we go, right? So, my senior year, I did an interview with a bunch of our students. They still have the chalkboards from 89 to 93. These chalkboards were part of the classroom. This is, wow.
Yeah, they did open them from.
Yeah, you can open them.
There was nothing to do for the last couple of days, especially after finals, but we still had to be in school, especially if it was like weather days and we were doing makeup.
Get ready for senior year. It's going to be awesome.
Yeah. And they would just roll these televisions in, and we would just like all hang out on the carpet, and they'd open these up.
Yeah.
Classes would watch the same-
Yes, they'd watch whatever we're watching. Yeah.
Lost Boys. I remember Mr. Gray's class watching the Lost.
How did you get a copy in the classroom? I don't know, but there it was.
Yeah.
You know, I'm so thankful they opened up the building to us to kind of go back down memory
I
lane.
haven't been here since 1990. I mean, I haven't set foot. I've driven by here, but I haven't
Been
actually set foot
inside.
inside.
Yeah.
This is the tube, it's right now. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not white anymore. It's
Yeah, it was nasty.
yeah, that yellow or whatever that kept. Yeah.
Layers of paint.
It's almost like the same rubber is on here too. I feel like on the steps they put this in so people wouldn't slip. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You guys enjoyed?
Yeah. Well, that concludes our time with the Raiders. Now, I had a good time, obviously, going back and looking at everything back in the day. Even there, look at there. That's great too. Until the next time, it's been a fantastic opportunity to come and meet up with everyone. Oh, even this here, look at this, check this out. 50th Alumni class of 1974. Check that out. Now that was not there when I was going to school here, but it looks really nice. Glad an opportunity to come out and check it out. So awesome. Quick alumni gathering.